Administrative officer.
Officer.
Or
Or
she's given other option also, no? What is the other option? Administrative officer or
class.
Give it to her in class.
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
she herself. Yes, she herself. You can go and give it in class 12 to her only. Let's come to the next one. Has she announced a gift or a reward?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
But again, I'm telling you, this is not compulsory. But the only point is sometimes the examiners come. If this point is entirely optional, in the bracket, the HE will write in very small letters in the bracket, optional. That means if the child wants, he or she will write. If they don't want, they will not write. Sometimes the examiners come, they don't read this part also. They feel, oh, this is missing, so they may deduct half a mark of yours. So you are on the mercy of those people. Next, writer's name and designation. Is it mentioned? Name, class, whatever. Here the child does not have any designation. So name and class. Mention beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now
Good
come
morning,
to this. Good morning, dear. Where you lost? Has she mentioned where she lost it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And the last one, date, day, or time when she lost it?
No,
Has she
ma'am.
mentioned? She has given some details.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime, that is.
Yes. What is the time? See, it is slash, beta, slash. You can give the date or the time or the day when you lost or found it, because if you're not sure of the date or the time, you may not be sure of everything. No? So whatever little you know, when you lose something, you generally realize when you want it. And at that point of time, you don't remember what date it was, what day it was. So here, maybe she doesn't remember, but she's mentioned that she lost it during which time? During the lunch time. As I just told you, I'll be taking up a short assessment with you people from the not coming week, maybe the next week, after this 2nd October week passes. So I'll tell you how we'll be taking up. One day I'll just be taking up lost and found notices. One day I'll be taking up seminar meeting notices. I'll inform you one day prior. Okay, this is the only thing which we'll be dealing. Beta, if 10 students write and post it and you see what 10 students have written, you also hear to the feedback which is given. I'm sure in 4 to 5 days, if you're doing one topic, you'll be 100% confident of writing it. Let's come to this one now. This is type 4. This is a notice for seminar, workshop, debate, and other literary events. Lost and found, we hardly have it in class 12th because we do these kind of notices in junior classes. Let's come to this. Body organizing it, who can attend, subject of the seminar or the debate, the duration of the program, the speakers, the chief guest, or the honorable person. Again, you can see we have a choice. Speaker, chief guest, honorable person. Date / time. Again, it's all your choice. Specific instructions, if any, and contact person or designation. Now, once we read this, we'll match this with this and see if it is perfect or not. You are Vikram, school captain of Meerut Public School, Shastri Market, Varanasi. Meerut Public School in Varanasi. Okay, interesting. Write a notice informing the students of class 12th about a guest lecture by Mr. Rajiv, an environmentalist, on the topic conservation of water. And this we all know that it should not be more than 50 words. This will not be mentioned generally. You all have to keep in mind it should not exceed 50 words. Otherwise, there is negative marking, beta. So, how do you keep a check of your word limit, beta? Anybody can share it with me? How do you keep a check of your word limit? That have I written 50 words or not?
Ma'am, we know that
By
how much
counting
wording are in a
lines.
single line. So
By
we
number
should
of lines.
count by
Beta,
for
beta,
counting lines.
Words in
one
one
at a
line
time,
into
one at
number
a
of
time,
lines.
one at a time.
When we count the number of lines we have written.
Okay, then how do you get to know the words, total
Ma'am,
number of
number
words?
of words in first line into number of lines.
Okay, number of words in the first line into number of lines. Normally what happens is When you practice your writing section at home also, you get an idea. But then the easiest way is this only. Randomly pick up any first, second, third line, count the number of words, and something is not included in that. What are the words which are not included in those words, that line?
Helping
Is
verbs.
and the.
Ma'am, prepositions.
Prepositions, conjunctions, articles. So you can have a grace of about 5 to 10 words there. But again, I would suggest make it 5 to 6 words only for grace, because you don't use more than 5 to 6 conjunctions or prepositions normally when you're writing a notice of 3 lines. So try to be in the word limit, otherwise you are going to have negative marking. Meerut Public School, Shastri Market, Varanasi. Something is wrong here, children. Tell me what.
Shastri
Ma'am,
market along.
Shastri Market. It
Yes,
should
exactly.
not be
This
there.
is so funny. You're writing a notice for your own students, class 12, and you're giving the address to those children. I don't know why this has been mentioned. So it should simply be Meerut Public School, Varanasi, notice, date, everybody knows how to write. Guest lecture by environmentalist. All the students of class 12th are informed that there will be a guest lecture on conservation of, what was the topic? Water. Renowned environmentalist Mr. Rajiv on the coming Saturday, that is 3rd November. See, again, this is looking awkward. I think everybody can make out when
Full
something
name
awkward
of the
comes.
person should be there. It would look
Yes,
quite
we
formal.
should
Then
give
it
some
will look
respect
quite
to the
formal.
male person, no doubt. Now, here they have not mentioned, I think. Mr. Rajiv is only mentioned in the question only. Beta, isko dekho. On the coming Saturday, that is 3rd November. This is looking informal. What should be the right way of writing this?
On 3rd November, that is Saturday.
Yes, on 3rd November, that is no need to write this coming Saturday and all these things. This looks odd. In the school auditorium from 10:30 a.m. to 11:30, attendance of class 12 students is compulsory. Attendance is compulsory? This is again looking a bit odd. Come on, change the line.
It is compulsory for all the students to
On
attend
schools to attend the
the
seminar.
lecture.
It is compulsory for all class 12 students to attend this lecture. Not attendance is compulsory. Whose attendance? That we are going to do with. For more information, contact the undersigned. This line, this sentence, I mean, beta, should start from the next line.
On next line.
So yes, so that your ending is not abrupt. And then of course, Vikram and school captain. Now let's match quickly and see how many marks we should give. Body organizing it. Who is organizing?
Meerut Public School.
Yes, it is Meerut Public School. Children, answer beta. Who can attend?
Class 12 students.
Class 12
Only one.
students.
Only one class
Ma'am,
12 student is there in the class.
Ma'am, class 12 student.
Beta, answer bolo. Otherwise, I'll stop the class. Who can attend? Quickly.
Class 12
12
students.
What is the subject of the seminar or the
Conservation
workshop?
of water.
Conservation of water. Yes, lecture on.
Okay. What is the duration of the program?
1 hour.
1 hour.
Means it is mentioned or not in the notice that the person has written. Vikram has mentioned the duration or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
it is mentioned.
Yes, ma'am.
10:30 to 11:30. Has he mentioned the speaker?
Yes, ma'am. Mr. Rajiv.
Mr. Rajiv. Okay. Date is given to you.
Yes, 3rd
Yes,
November.
What are the specific instructions which are given in this notice?
Compulsory attendance.
Yes. Compulsory attendance for class 12. Very specific instructions are given, very clear that this is compulsory and this is for class 12 students. Contact person?
Ma'am, Vikram.
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 Designation?
Ma'am, school captain.
School captain.
Yes. Now, if you count these points, if I check on these parameters for half a mark each, you will see there are about 8 points. So 3 to 4 points you have already scored if you have already mentioned all these things. Now the rest 1 mark or 1.5 mark which is left is basically for your presentation. That is how you present these things over here. So please be careful about what are the details required. I have done two types of notices with you. I just discussed the first one, that was lost one. This was for notice lost. This could be for seminar, workshop, debate, or any other event. Let's move on to the next one now. Notice for appeal or warning. This is the next one. This is notice for what, beta? This is for appeal or warning. Now, when we say notice for appeal or warning, we are going to have what are the important points? Whom to appeal or warn. If we are appealing, then whom to appeal. If we are warning, then whom to warn. Next, very important, a slogan or a message. See this. A slogan or a message. Then the most important part is a very courteous way to appeal. If you are appealing, you are requesting, be very soft, be very polite, be very courteous. Next, any punishment, if required, in case of warning only. If it is appeal, you cannot mention about any punishment. But if it is a warning, you can certainly add on some punishment. Then we need to have the issuing authority. But remember, issuing authority will only be mentioned if this person is different from the person who has signed the notice. If the person is sane, then you need not mention the issuing authority over there. Clear, beta? Listen carefully to this point. It is written issuing authority if different from the person who is signing the notice. If the person who is signing the notice is the same as the person who is the authority to issue this notice, then no need to mention twice. Otherwise, mention it. Any important instructions? And then the last one is name and designation of the person who is issuing it. Let's do this now. Recently, it was in news that a hurricane hit USA and around 13 states were being affected. Being the head girl of your school, draft a notice for the students and the staff. Appealing for, this is not warning children, this is appealing. Appealing for donations of relief products like clothes, money, books, and other articles in not more than 50 words.
Ma'am, it is
Again,
not clear.
This is not clear.
Yes, ma'am, this one.
Okay, let me see. This one is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a different one. This is not clear, beta. This was clear. This is not clear, no? Chalo, I'll get it made once.
Yes,
Let me
ma'am.
discuss the next one. Let me discuss the next one. I'll make another PDF. Okay, just Karan Singh is in the waiting room. We will not allow. After 5 minutes, I had already told, and I had posted a message also on the group yesterday.
Yes, ma'am,
So we are
other
not
teachers are also doing this.
Yes, we are not allowing Karan now. Let him be there only. This is also not clear. Notice for change of address. Not clear now.
No,
Is it clear?
ma'am.
This is also not clear. Okay. Chalu, never mind. I'll see what I can do. Can we change this a little? Let's change this. Let's have a debate. What do you want to take out of these? Come on, tell me anything. Let's select one. This was a lecture basically. Out of these, let us select one and practice one. Hurry up.
Debate.
Debate. Chalo, fine. Body organizing it. Keep telling me. First thing, body org. See, these things should be there in your mind. This is the mind map for writing a notice of this kind. Tell me the body organizing it.
Ma'am,
Are you naming?
अरे मैम मीरठ पब्लिक स्कूल.
They be original. Something of your own. Now we are writing another one. On our own, we are going to write.
मैम
Madhav Rao Sindhya.
yes मैम राधा माधव पब्लिक स्कूल.
Okay. Radha Madhav Public School, comma.
No, ma'am. Madhav Rao Sindhya.
Debate is always associated with Madhav Rao Sindhya in Bareilly at least. So, Madhav Rao Sindhya School, comma. What should I write?
Bareilly.
मैम काला पानी रोड.
Ma'am,
We
Pili
don't give. Beta,
Madhav
address
Rao
क्यों
Sindhya
नहीं
School, Bareilly.
Just now I told you that there is a problem in this notice. If you remember when I had done, I told you there is no need to write the address. So don't write this, just write
Yes.
Madhav Rao Sindhya School, comma. Bareilly, that is sufficient.
Ma'am, but
No
if there
need to
will
mention.
ma'am, if there are two schools like BBL,
Acha, theek hai. Even if there are two schools, then also this notice is going to the students of the same school. So why do we need to tell them the address of their own school?
acha,
We are
school,
not
we
giving
have to,
this.
acha,
Ah,
we have to give this to students. Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes, dear.
Thought
So
it
we are
was
not
an
sending
inter-school
this.
competition.
Actually, thought it is inter-school competition. Fine. It is for our own students, means students of Madhav Rose India. So body organizing is Madhav Rose India. Who can attend? Beside children, who can attend?
Ma'am, who is free?
Pardon?
Teachers.
All the students of 9 to 12.
Yes, ma'am. Even teachers.
Okay, fine. Fine. Students class 9 to 12. If students from class 9 to 12 are coming, then teachers have to be there. Otherwise, you
Yes, ma'am.
understand what will happen. It's very
Yes,
genuine.
ma'am.
You will understand what will happen if teachers are not
Yes,
there and
ma'am.
students from class 9 to 12
Ma'am,
assemble at the
ma'am,
school.
very good debate.
Then it would not be a debate, it would be WWW over there. They're going to have a good one. Yes. After 10 minutes, we will need some emergency aid. Okay, subject of the debate. Who suggested the debate?
हार
Come
के
on,
आगे
children. give
जीत
me.
है.
What is the
या
subject of the
फिर
debate?
हार के आगे जीत है.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
हार के आगे जीत है. Very good.
मैं है तैयार हूँ.
तैयार है? Okay, that is nice. Should we mention something related to this, the duration of the program?
No, ma'am, because it is not fixed in Madhav Rao
Yes,
Sindhya.
yes.
It's
You never
Madhav Rao
know.
Sindhya style of debate.
There, though, it is very unique. Judges only
Yes,
they
ma'am.
go.
हाँ.
The judges they go for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. By the time many speakers have already done their part, and then they come back casually and they sit. Have you ever seen a competition when the judges only leave the program and go? Many
I
times
have
they are the
seen.
judges. Even I saw this time when I went, I saw judges leave the program and go. Comfortably, they come according to their convenience. Now let's decide whom do you want the chief guest or honorable persons?
Mr. Narendra Modi.
Okay, Mr. Narendra Modi is coming as a chief guest. Wow. Fix up the date and the time.
We even call Donald Trump.
I know Modi ji is very fond of visiting places, but I'm not sure whether he'll come for a debate competition, though I am very sure he's very fond of visiting places.
Ma'am, it
Having
will
fun.
depend on the topic of debate.
Okay, है तैयार हम for China war.
Ma'am, for Corona. Ma'am, by wearing mask.
For COVID. Okay, Man Ki Baat.
Yes, ma'am.
That would be better. Man Ki Baat. Date, fix up a date so that we can invite Modi ji.
Ma'am,
30th September.
yes, ma'am.
Today itself you want to call him?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but अच्छा हाँ ठीक है.
How can he come in such a short notice?
अरे ma'am, he is more than.
Ma'am, that's his problem.
Yes, ma'am. He can come. Ma'am, he can come by jet.
Arey, but he must be having his prior appointments now. He is not free
Arey,
like
no,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
that's his
Ma'am.
problem, ma'am. We have done our job by inviting.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, all appointments are cancelled, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My first
because
one
you
is
people have
debate.
invited.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you people have. And now to Madhav Rose India has joined BJP, so chances are more that he may come.
Ma'am, number of votes should be increased.
Ma'am, Jyotiraditya Scindia.
Yes. Sorry, Jyotiraditya Scindia has joined, so more chances that he may come. This whole family is into politics, so confusing. Any specific instructions you want to give? If Modi ji is coming,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I want to give
What?
some specific instructions.
give special
Schools
instructions
like
one by one.
GRM would be preferred. And if you would violate the rules of debate, your marks would be increased.
Okay. And now when I post this video on YouTube or this recording on my class group, all these schools,
Copyright.
they get to see this. Okay, one specific instruction has already come up. I understand. From the core of heart.
Wear mask, social distancing,
Ma'am, I
sanitizer.
think Karan should have been there in this meeting.
Yes, ma'am. Karan is a very good. Yes,
More
ma'am, Karan is a
emotions
very
would
good
have come
debater.
out.
Yes, ma'am.
Social distancing and mask is there. Now, these three students who are speaking, let's have somebody else. Commerce section. My mute students. Commerce section, please give your opinion. Specific instructions. Very good. Are they there in the meeting or they are not there now? Today I need to do something. Science section, who all are there apart from these children who are speaking? Gausia, you were speaking. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are there.
Ma'am,
Nobody
out
from
of
commerce.
42, only 5 commerce students are there and no one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
but the
I'm
attendance
under
is
the
full.
class.
Ma'am, but the
These are
attendance
commerce
is full.
students.
At
Commerce
my
But they were
students.
regular, na ma'am.
Commerce
we-
students, come on. Commerce students, come
Arre-
on, tell me.
Arre,
Speak out.
ma'am, they will
Arey
speak when
ma'am,
they.
they have
Yes,
joined the
ma'am.
meeting and they have went somewhere.
Ma'am, they will speak when they are present. Then they will speak, na.
No, ma'am, we are present.
We or I. Speak on your part. Your name, please.
Sorry, ma'am, I'm present.
Who, Nandini? Or who is this?
Anjali.
Anjali. Anjali is always regular, otherwise also. She's a good girl. Who else in V? Anjali, you said V. Let me know who are the others for V.
Ma'am, Vodafone and India. Oh, idea.
Vodafone Idea.
Idea.
Yes. Anjali, who are the V, beta?
Sorry, ma'am.
So say I. From next time, don't take responsibility of these V's. You've seen these children. Okay? They're not there. They know everything actually. They don't need classes. This is what I always say for commerce students, apart from 1 or 2. They
Ma'am,
don't
they are
need classes only.
Ma'am, they are experts, ma'am.
Same
Ma'am,
as
I'm also present.
Oh, thank you. Who is
Garima.
this?
Ma'am, one more. Ma'am, one
So,
more.
Bachi, why don't you people speak? Garima is there, Anjali is there. Thank God somebody to learn. Rest everybody was born.
Ma'am, I am
learners.
all there.
Okay, you are also there. Very good. Who is this I? I should know the names now. Only these 3-4 students according to me are there. Rest everybody I'm going to tell sir today. Anjali is there, Garima is there. Who else is there?
No, ma'am. 25 are present daily.
Ma'am, Miss Priyanka is also there.
Who is there?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Shreya
Miss
is also
Priyanka.
there.
Isme Antak is there. Fine. Are there is that boy, the one who came after 6 months yesterday?
Ma'am, Bishu.
Ishu, where is he?
Ma'am, he will come after 6 months.
Okay. Saransh is
Ma'am,
there.
he joined the
I'm asking-
meeting and then he left.
Ma'am, Saransh is of
Ishu?
bio. Ma'am, Saransh is of bio.
Yes, ma'am.
So that doesn't mean he's not going to study English. Bio students are not exempted from English class. Is there any rule of such things?
Acha, no, I thought you were saying that Saransh is of commerce.
No. I am asking about those students for whom the letters were dispatched. They must have read. Saransh was one of them. Utkarsh, is he there? He was one more defaulter.
Ma'am, Saransh used to attend classes. He was regular.
Yes, ma'am. Saransh was regular, I
Yes,
think.
ma'am.
In
Saransh
physics,
was
chemistry
regular.
class, he was
Saransh
regular.
was also
Yes, ma'am.
there. Abhiroop, are you there? He thought that my class is at 12:15. So I'm sure he'll come at 12:15 now. Yesterday I
Ma'am,
spoke to his mother.
Abhiroop is
Ma'am,
not in the
Abhiroop is in
meeting.
the
Ma'am is
meeting.
there in the meeting.
Abhiroop is there in the
You
meeting.
there? All of you just be quiet for a second. Beta, are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Who else was there? Darshit. Darshit, are you there? Darshit and Anurag. Are you there, children? They have made up their mind. I think they're not prepared this year. They don't want to write their exams. Probably
No,
they
ma'am.
want to write
Darshit
next
and
year.
Anurag are not there in the meeting.
That is what I'm saying now. Darshit and Anurag have made up their mind. They want one more year to study. Next year they'll write their exams. This
And
is what I feel.
ma'am, one more thing that sometime PHE class is from 8:15 and sometime from 1 p.m. Like yesterday, I thought that it would be at 1:15, but it was at 8, so I missed my class.
Beta, I'll tell you, there is only a problem of one more day, that is day after tomorrow. We have exams
Okay.
in the entire school. Only
Okay,
class
ma'am.
10th and 12th is not having exams. So Gaurav Dev Sharma is the class teacher of class 7. So he has to do his invigilation duty when an exam is going on.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
generally the exam starts at 8. It's 8 to 11:30. So those days when we have an exam, he is not able to take his class in the morning. But I'll request sir to put a message at least on the group. So that is the issue. Like this Gulshan sir also, but I take care of invigilation in the morning in class 11. So Gulshan sir is free. He takes his class in the morning. It's only one more day, day after tomorrow. Lot of holidays coming in this month, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, most
Why?
of the holidays are on Sunday. 2 holidays are on
Sunday.
Sunday this month.
Ma'am, please do
Ma'am,
one thing,
just a
like for
minute. I'm
example,
opening the
Sarah.
calendar.
ma'am, like for example, on Fridays, Gandhi Jayanti holiday, ma'am, then please provide a holiday on Saturday. Then it would be 3 days: Friday,
Ma'am,
Saturday, and
Dashera
Sunday.
is on Sunday.
What is the date? When is it?
25.
Oh God, it's on a Sunday.
Yes, ma'am.
This is sad, very bad. Which other festival or what
Ma'am,
occasion
then
is
on
Sunday?
24th there is Mahanavami. It's on Saturday.
So we'll get Saturday, Sunday. Then
And
we should
then
keep
Eid
Saturday,
is on Thursday.
the same month.
And yes, ma'am. And on
It is what?
31st there,
What is the date? 21st.
ma'am, 29th.
Oh, all these are at the end
Next
of the
week.
month now.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
next
And
week.
on 31st, Valmiki Jayanti.
Valmiki Jayanti must be a. It's not a gadgeted holiday, I suppose.
Ma'am,
All
earlier it
Jayantis.
was, but it was removed from the
Yes,
list of
after Yogi
holidays.
government came in, all
Yes,
Jayantis
ma'am.
are meant for holidays now, so I don't think we are going to get this. But still, we'll get a lot of holidays in this month, and then the coming month would be the last month we'll be able to spend time
Yes,
with you
ma'am.
people, because after that you will get a preparatory leave kind of a thing. Last part of October, you will have your pre-boards from November. So
Ma'am,
another
from
20
November.
days. Yes, the first pre-board is in November.
Ma'am,
So
isn't this
another
too much
20
early?
days. अच्छा है ना? You people don't want to attend